Hi, welcome to your 6th grade math class. I'm Miss Nishikawa. I'm going to kind of give you a brief orientation for math. So here we have our math course. When you first log in, you'll see some kind of picture or image here, Bitmoji. My math office hours are going to be on Tuesdays and Thursdays from 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. Wednesday nights is math as well as science can drop in from 7 to 8 p.m. Sunday, you can call me by phone from 4 to 5. Here is my phone number right here. You can call me or text me at that number. You can email me here. So a little bit about how to access our office hours. You will click on this Bitmoji and this will take you to our office hours. And you'll see the same image in different parts of our Canvas course as well as on your assignments page. Coming in here, you'll meet the teacher. So that's me, Miss Nishikawa. You'll see image that I've put in here of me, my girls. A little bit about me is I love to hike, I love camping and being outside. I'm a photographer, so you'll see lots of pictures that I'll incorporate throughout the year. I have 2 cats. You can read through this and just get to know me a little bit. I'm very excited to be teaching you for math and science because I feel like we'll have a chance to get to know each other really well since we'll have each other for 2 subjects. So getting started, this is something important for you to take the time and read through. This is, just so you know, this is an image of the Comet Neowise that we had this summer. I got up with my girls about 1 o'clock in the morning and we drove to the mountains. This is Grandfather Mountain, and took some pictures from about 3 in the morning until after the sun came up, and then we went hiking and came home. So how to be successful in math. You're gonna struggle sometimes, and that struggle is where you learn. So keep trying so that you grow, you can connect, and you're gonna make mistakes. That's part of math. We'll have 7 units in math. We're gonna be starting with area and surface area, going into ratios and so on. So take the time and read through this. I have how you'll be graded on our discussions or math talks, our assignments, quizzes, and tests. I do allow for half credit quiz corrections when I do give you a quiz. My late work, missing work policy is here. I will let you know on Mondays if you have missing work, and you have until Friday to get it to me with only 5% taken off. Now, if it goes past that Friday, then it's going to be another 5%, and I'll be making, we'll be contacting your parents at that point as well. I really believe in trying to communicate with my students because you're becoming young adults, and I want to help you grow into young adults. And that means being responsible for your work and trying to keep up with it. You'll see this to-do list over here. Don't pay too much attention to it. Yes, you do need to do the things here, but it's not necessarily the order that you need to do them. So in order to know how you need to work through your assignments, each week I will update this to take you to the current week. But you can also use the calendar to work ahead or back if you're missing something. So we have our week of September 7th. So this is the week after your first week with us, and you'll see we'll have like our math talks, our pre-assessment. So I want to go ahead and note on pre-assessments, this does not hurt your grade. This is before you learn something so that I know what you need the most help with, or if you already know something, I can maybe, let you move on. So we'll start on Tuesday or Monday usually, but start at the top and work your way down. For office hours, you can click right here to join my office hours. Again, Tuesdays 10 to 11, and you can join. Normally I do a Monday lunch, munch and lunch on Mondays, but on this week, I'm gonna do it on Wednesday since we don't have school on Monday. So that you can just bring your lunch, chat, and I might put other things into the schedule for us to do. That will be fun. Our live options like this are optional. They are not required, but I would love to get to know you and have you join us. So take the time, look through this. If you have any questions, you have my number now because it's right here on the page. You can call or text me. You can email me. I'll try to get back with you as fast as I can. A few other things I talk about in my science video, but you need to set up your email. I need you to check your email every day, because if I need to set a scheduled meeting with you, this is where that information is going to come. That's not this inbox here. I will send like group messages out to this inbox, like an announcement, but those also come to your email. Check this email every day. We'll be using Microsoft Teams for meetings, and we might use it for some other things as we move into the year. We'll be using OneDrive. So you'll need to know how to access these 3 things. All 3 of these, use your student ID number at stu.gcsnc.com, and your password will be your birthday by month, day, year. For instance, an April 10th birthday of 2008 would be 04 for April, 10th would be 10, and then the year would be 2008. And that is how you log in to these 3 things here. If you need to request a meeting with me, you click here, fill this form out, first and last name, make sure first and last are both in there. Your GCS email, that's that number, your student number, at stu.gcsnc.com. You'll make sure you include that. Then you'll pick which day works best for you in the next 7 days. So if you're emailing me on a Thursday and you can meet Friday, you can put Friday. If you can meet Monday, you put Monday. I would try to make a meeting for you that day. The next thing is what time of the day. Are you a morning availability or afternoon? If there's something else you need to say, you can write that in here. And right here, you'll tell me, what do you need this meeting for? Are you struggling on a project? Are you an assignment? Or did you not do well on a test and you want to talk? So this is where we can have that one-on-one meeting. And then you'll hit submit. So that's right here. If you don't hit submit, I don't get the email. Once I get this email, I will send you an email to your Outlook. That is that email I told you to set up earlier. That will tell you when our meeting is. So I will match what you said when you're available, and then you will get the invite in this Outlook to know when it is. So I need you to make sure you're checking this every day. I hope this kind of helps you, know your way around. You can access your grades here as well as in PowerSchool. If you have any questions, please, you can email me or call or text me. I'm here to help you. Math is hard for some people and easy for others. I'm here to guide you. I'm going to help you through it. We will, have our Nearpod lessons, as well as we'll have our practice problems, which will be through PowerPoint. And I'll show you a lot of that as we move into our assignments. I'll have other things kind of put in. We'll do some projects. I have some pretty fun math projects that we will work on as well this year. And I'm really looking forward to working with you. I'm so happy that you are in my math and my science class, and I'm looking forward to having a wonderful year. I think we're going to have a lot of fun. And just know that you're not alone. I am here for you. You do need to be a responsible young adult because you are now in 6th grade. And reach out to me. So if you're struggling, that's your job to reach out to me. Not your parents, not mine, but you have to keep up with your grades. All of your math assignments should be about an hour every day, maybe an hour and 10 minutes if depending on how fast you work to complete those practice problems. Each practice problem assignment should have around 8 to 10 problems for you to complete. So I hope that helps. You don't have homework. So, even if you're having to spend a little more than an hour, just know you don't have homework, which is great because you're already at home. So I'm really excited to get to know you. Join me for some of my lunches on Mondays or other days, and some of my other activities I'll post. Come for my office hours. I will have live teaching as well. Those will probably be in the afternoons from 1 to 2. I'm not sure what day. They might change even weekly, but probably Tuesdays and Thursdays is when you'll see those offered. So I'm here to help you. I can't wait to get to know you, and I'll see you in class.